Today we will delve deep into a prevalent health condition that affects approximately a quarter of the global population, anemia. By understanding its causes, symptoms, and treatment. Anemia is a condition characterized by a deficiency in the number of red blood cells, hemoglobin levels, or the blood's oxygen-carrying capacity. The lack of healthy red blood cells results in reduced oxygen supply to our body tissues. This can lead to various symptoms, with fatigue, lightheadedness, and pale skin being some of the most common. Iron deficiency anemia. Accounting for half of all anemia cases, iron deficiency anemia is the most prevalent form. The symptoms often include fatigue, pale skin, shortness of breath, and sometimes, restless leg syndrome. This type of anemia can arise from factors such as poor iron absorption, inadequate iron intake, or excessive iron loss. Key diagnostic indicators include reduced hemoglobin and hematocrit levels, microcytosis, signifying smaller red blood cells, decreased serum iron and ferritin levels, elevated total iron binding capacity, TIBC. Vitamin deficiency anemia. Approximately 20% of anemia cases stem from deficiencies in vital nutrients like B12 and folic acid. Symptoms are similar to iron deficiency but can also involve numbness, memory loss, visual disturbances, and mouth ulcers. Some unique characteristics of this type include macrocytic anemia, indicating larger than average red blood cells, hypersegmented neutrophils in blood smears, neurological symptoms, particularly in B12 deficiency cases. Pernicious anemia. A subtype of B12 deficiency anemia, pernicious anemia results from an autoimmune reaction that affects intrinsic factor production, vital for B12 absorption. If untreated, it can lead to grave health complications. Regular vitamin B12 injections are a standard treatment. Anemia from chronic conditions. Certain chronic conditions like cancer, HIV, and rheumatoid arthritis can lead to anemia due to inflammation disrupting red blood cell production. Hemolytic anemia. Comprising about 5% of anemia cases, hemolytic anemia occurs when red blood cells break down prematurely. Symptoms like jaundice and dark urine can be indicative. Treatment often involves addressing the root cause and may necessitate blood transfusions. Aplastic anemia. A rare form, aplastic anemia, results in a significant reduction in all blood cell types. It's termed pancytopenia. Treatments include bone marrow transplantation and blood transfusions for acute cases. In essence, anemia is a diverse condition with varied causes and symptoms. Recognizing the specific form of anemia is paramount for effective treatment. From dietary adjustments and supplements to more intensive measures like transfusions and transplants, treatments are tailored to the type and severity of anemia. Thank you for your attention, and I hope this information proves valuable in understanding and addressing anemia in our lives and communities.